What if I told you your handbag is spilling your secrets? Not just what's inside, but everything about you. The way it's styled, the size, the brand, even how you carry it reveals more about your personality than you might realize. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what your handbag is saying behind your back. And trust me, it's juicy. Ready to find out? Let's dive in. The symbolism of your bag, more than just an accessory. A handbag is so much more than just a place to stash your stuff. It's a reflection of who you are. Think about it. The type, size, and even the brand of the bag you carry silently communicates your values, priorities, and lifestyle to the world. It's like a wearable personality profile, making a statement without saying a word. Take, for example, a structured leather tote. It's neat, polished, and no nonsense, much like the person who carries it. This bag screams practicality and organization, suggesting its owner thrives on efficiency and order. Now, compare that to a slouchy bohemian hobo bag. It's laid back, roomy, and a little whimsical, perfect for someone free-spirited, creative, and unbothered by rigid rules. Even the choice between logos or minimalism speaks volumes. A loud, branded bag might signal confidence and a love for making a statement, while a subtle, logo-free design hints at timeless elegance and a preference for understated luxury. At its core, your handbag is more than just an accessory. It's a peek into your world, your priorities, and how you carry yourself literally and figuratively. So what does your handbag say about you? The answer might be more revealing than you think. Old money versus new money handbags. Who's who in the bag world? Now, let's dive into the old money versus new money bag debate. This is where we really start to see how handbags mirror a person's social class, values, and priorities. Old money, the quiet elegance. Old money women? They're the ones quietly flexing their wealth, and they do it with subtlety and elegance. If they're carrying a handbag, it's going to be understated. Think classic, logo-free designs. A lady with old money might sport a timeless Hermes Kelly bag. Yes, the one with the lock and key, or a simple Chanel flat bag with no flashy logos. These women aren't trying to shout, "I'm rich." They're the type who let their subtle luxury do all the talking. It's more about timeless style than trends. They want quality, history, and sophistication without having to explain why their bag costs more than your rent. New money. Look at me now. New money women? Well, they're loud and proud about their status. You'll see them walking around with bags that have all the logos, the bold designs, and the flashy "look at me" vibes. A loud, logo-covered Louis Vuitton or a flashy Gucci bag. And honestly, who could blame them? They've worked hard to get here, and their bag is their statement. Unlike old money, new money loves to show off their success, and their bags are the perfect way to do that. But hey, nothing wrong with a little spotlight, right? Practicality versus elegance. When choosing a handbag, we can't ignore the big question. Is it about elegance or practicality? Let's break this down. The elegant bag, small, curated, and chic. If you're all about elegance, you gravitate towards smaller, meticulously curated bags that pack a punch despite their size. These aren't just accessories, they're statements. The kind of bag that whispers sophistication, elevating your outfit and making it look 10 times more expensive than it really is. These bags say, "I'm focused on what matters, and I don't need much." You're likely someone who values a well-organized life, focusing on quality over quantity. Inside your bag, you won't find clutter, just the essentials. A phone, keys, lip gloss, maybe a sleek card holder or compact mirror. Every item has a purpose, and every purpose is intentional. You don't just carry a bag, you carry a philosophy of simplicity, practicality, and timeless style. This choice reflects your ability to prioritize and your confidence in knowing exactly what you need. You've mastered the art of effortless chic, showing that elegance isn't about having more, it's about making what you have count. With your small, curated bag, you're sending a clear message. You're poised, polished, and always in control. Who says less isn't more? The practical bag. Big, spacious, and ready for anything. Let's be real. You're the kind of person who's always prepared. Need a snack? Granola bar, fresh and ready. A Band-Aid? Of course, in 2 sizes. Charger, hand sanitizer, notebook, an emergency sewing kit. You name it, it's all in there. And that's exactly how you like it. Your bag tells the world you're organized, reliable, and probably the go-to person for solving last-minute crises. You're the friend everyone turns to when they need help or advice, because they know you'll have both the solution and the tools to fix the problem. But let's not forget the versatility of your practical bag. It fits your work essentials during the day and easily transitions into a weekend bag for spontaneous adventures. It's not just a bag, it's your mobile command center, your survival kit, your peace of mind. While others may see it as just a big bag, to you, it's a badge of honor. You're the planner, the problem solver, the person who's always one step ahead. Sure, it might weigh a ton, but that's the price of being prepared for literally anything. So go ahead, rock that bag with pride. You're carrying more than just stuff. You're carrying confidence. The power of history. Handbags as symbols of status and style. Let's talk about the cultural and historical relevance of handbags, because trust me, handbags aren't just trendy accessories. They've been symbols of power, status, and style for decades. Coco Chanel's 255 design. Think about Coco Chanel's legendary 255 bag. Released in 1955, it wasn't just a stylish bag, it was a revolution. Chanel combined luxury with practicality, adding the iconic chain strap so women didn't have to carry their bags by hand anymore. This was more than just a fashion statement. It was a symbol of modern femininity. It said, I'm independent, I'm practical, and I'm stylish all at once. The 255 redefined what handbags could be, combining elegance with functionality, and women loved it. It's a true game changer in handbag history. What your handbag says about you. Let's break it down. Now, let's really break it down. What does the actual type of handbag you choose say about your personality? Crossbody bags. Minimalist and active. If you've got a crossbody bag, you're someone who's minimalistic, efficient, and active. You're probably always on the move, whether it's running errands, hanging out with friends, or working. You want your bag to be hands-free so you can get stuff done, and you do it with style. Oversized bags. Over-prepared and nurturing. An oversized bag? Oh, you're the type who's prepared for anything, and probably a little bit nurturing. You've got everything packed in that bag, from hand sanitizer to snacks to a spare scarf. You're the mum friend, but not necessarily because you're a mum. You just have a nurturing spirit and always want to make sure everyone's taken care of. Clutches. Sophisticated and social. If you're holding a clutch, you're sophisticated and social. You don't need much, just enough to keep you going through a night out. A clutch is all about elegance and minimalism, and it screams, I'm here to make an entrance. You're not about practicality, you're about presence. Luxury designer bags, status-conscious and detail-oriented. Luxury designer bags? You're the type who's detail-oriented, focused on the finer things in life, and let's face it, you like to be noticed. A luxury bag isn't just about status, it's about quality, craftsmanship, and showing the world that you've got the taste and the resources to enjoy the best. Your bag? It's a statement. Vintage bags, sentimental and value-oriented. If you're into vintage bags, you're sentimental, value-oriented, and appreciate history. You love finding treasures that tell a story. Your handbag collection is likely a mix of old-school glam and personal history, and you can't resist the thrill of a good find. Choosing the right bag, reflecting your elegance. So, how do you choose a bag that reflects your elegance while remaining functional? It's all about simplicity and quality. Look for bags with great craftsmanship, whether it's a classic black leather bag or a simple canvas tote. Keep the hardware minimal and choose a bag that fits seamlessly into your life while adding that extra touch of sophistication. It's about the right balance of style and function, and a well-chosen bag can elevate any outfit. And there you have it. Your handbag is a whole story waiting to be told. Next time you grab your bag, take a second to appreciate what it says about you. If you enjoyed this little fashion dive, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends because we all love a good bag gossip, and subscribe for more style insights that'll have you looking at your closet and your accessories differently. Until next time, keep rocking those bags with confidence, and remember, it's not just what you carry, it's how you carry it.